Hi everyone, I'm in Ikebukuro today. This neighborhood is in the northwest part of Tokyo. It's quiet here now, but normally this is a very busy commuter hub. In fact, the nearby Ikebukuro station is one of the busiest, handling over 1 million passengers a day. You can hear how windy it is tonight, so we're going to try to find something warm and comforting to eat. We walked by this large ippudo. It was very tempting, but we wanted to try something a little bit new. And nothing against ippudo, but something that just wasn't a chain restaurant. This brightly lit restaurant is Tonchin Ikebukuro. As you probably guessed, it's a ramen place.
Oh yeah.
Wow, it got really windy here all of a sudden. So I'm glad we're going inside. Even though we can't read Japanese, it's very easy to figure out the menu and order exactly what we want.
No, this is not the fried rice, but... Okay, wait. 70? So, let's give them 20.
I'm always trying to find the optimal coin usage to minimize how many coins I'm going to be carrying. This ramen place is also known for its fried chicken, and we totally forgot to order it, so we're doing that now. You can see the kitchen is pretty clean and run very efficiently. I liked watching them prepare the ramen and trying to guess which one was my order. And here it is. I ordered the regular tonkatsu, which was 950 yen, or about $6.50 in US dollars. The fried chicken was only 160 yen, or about $1, which was a pretty good deal. The noodles were cooked perfectly, nice and chewy. The broth was not super rich, but still tasty.
Ramen is good.
This is exactly what we needed on this windy night.
Want spice on the chicken?
They also have a spicy version of the fried chicken. It's really just the regular fried chicken with some spicy seasoning on top. Fried chicken wasn't bad, it was nice and crispy, and you can tell it was freshly fried.
How do I cut this?
Both fried chickens came with a generous portion of mayonnaise on the side. I really like the fried chicken. I would come back just for the fried chicken. Finished with dinner, so let's walk around the area. This is a pachinko arcade, which is kind of like a casino. And this area is a bit busier and more people around as we're getting closer to the Ikebukuro station. It's actually getting a bit crowded here. So if you ever want to find out where the busiest part of a neighborhood is in Japan, look for the Don Quixote. They always seem to be located in the busiest parts of town. The station entrance is on the left. This is probably what we're going to take to get home. Many people enjoying their evening and just milling about and socializing. Oh, is this a Nissan Skyline? It looks just like the one we saw at Nissan Crossing. Have a good night, everyone.